Hello, welcome to Easy English at Home YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to use weak adjectives and strong adjectives. There are different kinds of adjectives. Today's focus will be on weak adjectives. They're also called as gradable adjectives. And the strong ones, they're also called as non-gradable adjectives. Right, we have a list of 15 very common ones here, right? We have good, tired, small, big, hungry, dirty, angry, funny, cold, hot, tasty, sure, happy, surprised, and scared. We can use modifiers to make the meaning of these adjectives stronger. Modifiers like the ones here. For example, we can say very good, or you can just say good. If you want to make the meaning stronger, you use the modifier. You say very good. Or you can say completely, let's say completely sure. I'm completely sure. Or you can say slightly big or really funny. So these adjectives, the weak ones, definitely need a modifier to have a stronger meaning. Well, the other option you have is to learn the strong adjective, which already means very good. For example, you can say fantastic. Instead of saying very good, you can say fantastic. Or tired. Well, you can say very tired, or you can simply say exhausted. These adjectives are strong, so they don't need modifiers to make their meaning stronger. Small, the strong adjective form would be tiny. Big, you can say what? Huge. Or you can say enormous. Or gigantic is another word. Hungry, starving. You can say I'm starving, or you can say I'm very hungry. Next one, dirty. The strong adjective one is filthy. Okay. Angry, or you can say very angry, or you can say what? Furious. I'm furious, which means I'm very angry. Funny, hilarious. Very funny, hilarious. Cold. So we're looking into freezing this time. Freezing, which means very cold. Hot. The strong adjective form is boiling. And for tasty, you can say delicious. Delicious. Very tasty. For sure, you can say positive. I'm positive about it. It means I'm very sure. Positive. Okay. For happy, you can say delighted. Delighted. Okay. For surprised, we have the word amazed. Okay, and the last one, for the word scared, you can say terrified or horrified. Terrified. If you're terrified, that means you're very scared, right? So, these are the strong adjectives. And if you really want to work on the meaning of the strong adjectives and make them stronger than they already are, you can only use strong modifiers, not these ones here. You need strong modifiers. Modifiers like strong modifiers, let's see. We just have a couple of them. The first one is absolutely. So you can say absolutely exhausted, or you can say absolutely hilarious. It's all right. Or you can say utterly, completely, right? The meaning. And you look at it. So you can say utterly starving, utterly filthy, utterly furious, right? And the last one is really as you look at it, it goes both ways. So the modifier really can be used with strong adjectives and the weak one, the weak ones, and that's the only one, you know, that you can use this way. So that's how strong adjectives work. Don't forget, you can use them with strong modifiers, not these ones, right? So the meaning already is very strong. All right. Let's practice. Look at the pictures and answer my questions with a yes at all times. Picture 1. Is the water cold? Yes, it's freezing. Picture 2. Was the party good? Yes, it was fantastic. Picture 3. Are you tired? Yes, I'm exhausted. Picture 4. Is this a big house? Yes, it is enormous. Picture 5. Are you sure? Yes, I'm positive. Picture 6. Is it a hot day? Yes, it's boiling. Picture 7. Is she surprised? Yes, she's amazed. Picture 8. Are they hungry? Yes, they're starving. Are you ready for further practice? I've got 8 short dialogues here for you, and in each dialogue, I want you to focus on the answer and choose the correct modifier looking at the adjectives right at the end, okay? So number 1, are you angry about the keys I lost? Yes, I'm a bit or absolutely furious. Which one? Furious is a strong adjective, so you need to say absolutely furious, yeah? Look at number 2. Was your day at work hard? Yes, it was. Look, this is the adjective exhausting, so you can say really exhausting, yeah? Slightly goes with a weak adjective. 3. Is your school big? No, it is. Which one? Very or utterly tiny. Tiny is a strong adjective, so it goes with a strong modifier. Utterly tiny, yeah? All right, 4. Do you have cold winters in Turkey? Yes. Yes, it is. Right? It is. The adjective is cold, so I need to say completely cold, okay? Completely cold, especially in January. Right. Are you hungry? Yes, I am starving. Yeah, so which one? I am really starving. A strong adjective again, remember? And 6. Do you like Turkish baklava? Yes, it is. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Okay. Number 7. Are you sure you locked the door? Yes, I'm absolutely positive. Remember, positive is a strong adjective again. So, do you find Mr. Bean funny? Yes, I think he is really hilarious. So, here another strong adjective. Good job, everybody. Let's have a look at today's keywords and phrases. We have learned a couple of strong adjectives like fantastic, exhausted, tiny, enormous, huge, gigantic, starving, filthy, furious, hilarious, freezing, boiling, delicious, positive, delighted, amazed, terrified, horrified. We also learned that strong adjectives cannot be used with some modifiers like very, completely, quite, a bit, and slightly. The only modifiers we can use with strong adjectives are absolutely, utterly, and really. Thank you for watching. You can find the practice files for this lesson on the link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!